It's Ritika. Welcome back to Beautyco. So today I am going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial, and the brand today is NYX Professional Makeup. Honestly, NYX holds such a special place in my heart. NYX was the first brand that actually approached me for a collaboration. NYX was the first brand who sent me products, and they were the people who recognized me. I am so thankful to them. I absolutely love NYX. I love their products. They have some amazing products. So today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look that is long lasting, transfer proof, sweat proof, and it's just gonna look amazing, flawless, glamorous. So I'm gonna be showing you tips and tricks as to how you can make your makeup last a really long time. And since I'm an oily skin type, it's a struggle for me. So this is like a stamp of approval that this is gonna last a really long time. So let's get into the tutorial. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get into the tutorial. So the first step is to prep my skin. So I'm gonna start by using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Now this is gonna act like my primer and add in the hydration, and I'm using the matte version because I'm an oily skin type, so it's gonna soak up all the oil and it's gonna give me like a very smooth flat base. So the NYX setting sprays are like legendary products. These are the OGs. Like, this makes your makeup like really last a very long time, and they are in a budget and of a very good quality. They have an amazing spray as well, so it disperses the liquid really well on my skin. So I'm just gonna do that.
NYX products are also vegan and cruelty free.
Okay, so I do tend to get really oily in my T-zone, so I like to blur out my pores using a primer. Now this one is the Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. For foundation, I am going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. This is in the shade Classic Tan. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, very long lasting, and just looks very beautiful on the skin. So I went ahead with a little bit of concealer. So for concealer, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Neutral Tan. Next, I'm gonna set everything using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Medium. So let's start with the eye makeup. Just to bring out the pigmentation even more, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my setting spray, the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Setting Spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush so that the eyeshadow's intensity increases and it is not gonna move from my eyelids. And that is my final result. Now one last step for a long lasting makeup look. A very important step is setting spray. You want to set your face with a setting spray so that your makeup lasts a very long time, it melts into your skin, and it does not budge. So just to prove to you that setting spray is really important, what I am going to do is I'm going to spray half the side of my face with a setting spray, and the other half I'm not going to spray it with setting spray. So we will see what a major difference it is going to be during the day. So I'm obviously going to take you through my day, and I'm going to show you like at intervals how my makeup is looking, where I am getting oily, what is creasing, if anything is caking up. So yeah, so I'm going to set my left hand side with the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Setting Spray. And also make sure when you're setting your face with a setting spray, you're holding the spray a little further away from your face, not too close. Otherwise, it might end up having like patches of water on your skin, and you know, it might alter your makeup. So make sure you're using it from further away so that it disperses the liquid quite evenly on our skin. Now, if you look closely, I'm gonna get you all a little closer. Do you see how smooth the makeup is looking on this side? It's looking really poreless. It is matte, but it's not like very drying matte. It is still a little bit of a skin-like matte finish, as you can see. And if you see on this side, it's not as smooth as this side of my face. So currently it is 12:50. So I'm gonna come in like after 2 hours to show you how my makeup is looking, and then I will update you by the end of the day as to how long lasting this makeup look is.
Guys, so I just wanted to show you my makeup in like broad daylight, and as you can see, this side is looking like super duper smooth and this side looks a little bit too harsh. So like setting spray actually like melts the makeup into your skin, so that's the huge difference. I thought you guys would see it better in like daylight.
So this is a mask test, and as you can see, the makeup has not transferred on the mask, it has not budged, has not smudged, so it is mask proof.
I don't know whether you guys can see this, but the side is oily and the side is not. Look at that, it's turned oily and the side is like matte. So do you see the shine and oil on the side, and the side is completely matte? Look at that. The side is completely matte. And the side it's oily. But look at the oils right here.
So yeah guys, that's it for this particular tutorial. I hope you learned how to get a very long lasting makeup look. I hope I gave you all enough information for you guys to clear all your doubts. If you all still do have any doubts or queries or questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely help you guys out. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.
So guys, if you all want to get your hands on this amazing life-saving makeup product, it is only available on Nykaa.com in India. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so definitely check it out. I'm going to go now, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.